Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all North Indian diet plan for weight loss. With the help of this diet plan, you'll be able to lose 15 kgs in 30 days very easily. This diet plan is super effective as it contains lots and lots of options for your breakfast, lunch, dinner and your mid-morning snack and evening snack as well. And as well as it is protein rich in vitamin D3 and as well as helps you lose weight fast very easily. My lots of clients have reduced huge amount of weight with the help of this diet plan. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey and help you transform yourself. So without any delay, let's get started with North Indian diet plan for weight loss. Early in the morning, empty stomach, as soon as you wake up, you'll have methi jeera water. Now this water is definitely a lot helpful for all of those who are suffering from belly fat. All you have to do is soak 2 teaspoons of methi and 1 teaspoon of jeera overnight in 2 glasses of water. In the morning, all you have to do is just boil this water and have it sip by sip. 15 minutes after this drink, you will have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 2 anjeer. Just soak all of these nuts overnight. In the morning, peel it and have it. Now after this, we'll have our breakfast. I'll give you 3 major options. The first one, as usual for all our Punjabis and as well as for North Indian, wherever it has to be, is parantha. So I'll be giving you parantha, but it has to be in a very healthy manner that can help you lose weight as well. So here is the recipe of Missi Roti or #weight loss parantha. It is very simple. All you have to do is just choose the right flour for this. That is, choose the right atta for this. Now I have used here jaw, that is barley atta. You can use besan as well or mix 2 to 3 attas together. For example, barley, besan, bajra, ragi, whatever is available with you, and prepare a parantha with this. You can add veggies to this. You can add gobi, onion, mooli, whatever is available with you, and have it with 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. Do not fry the parantha on tawa at all. Just add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee over this when on plate. Or you can have it with dahi and your tea and coffee as preferred, but make sure to add no sugar to your tea or coffee. Now second option is oats dalia. You can either prepare meetha dalia or you can prepare namkeen dalia. The recipe for both of them are on my channel. The link I'll put in the description box below. You can check it out. It's very tasty and as well as very healthy for your weight loss. For namkeen dalia, you can add lots and lots of veggies to this. You can add onion, tomato, capsicum, broccoli, French beans, corns, whatever is available with you. And as well as for sweet dalia, you can add almond milk or soya milk. For sweetener, you can use coconut sugar or stevia, but do not use your normal sugar at all. Coconut sugar is very good for weight loss because it is low in glycemic index and helps lower your blood sugar level as well. So you can definitely replace your normal sugar with coconut sugar in this case. Third option for your breakfast is black chana salad. High in protein, high in fiber and definitely great for weight loss. All you have to do is prepare a black chana chaat with the help of soaked and boiled black chana and add lots and lots of salad to this. You can add cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is available with you, and as well as you can also add 20 to 30 grams of paneer to this. But make sure you do not add any kind of salt to this. We'll season it up with black pepper powder, roasted jeera powder and lemon juice. That's it. No salt in salads, fruits and curds, nothing. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack. Mid-morning snack, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is, you can, as usual, our Punjabis love lassi. So you can have lassi. You can prepare mint lassi, that is pudina lassi, or mango lassi as well, because mango is freshly available in the season right now. But do not add any kind of salt to this. No table salt in the diet plan at all. The second option for mid-morning snack is, you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed green tea along with some bhuna chana, that is roasted chana. But do not use the salted ones, use plain bhuna hua chana. Now let's proceed towards your lunch. 15 minutes before your lunch, you will have a full plate of salad. Yes, in the salad you can add cucumber, 1 whole cucumber, 1 whole tomato seedless, 1 onion, few lettuce leaves and lemon juice topped over it. No salt at all. 15 minutes before your lunch, you'll have the salad bowl, and after 15 minutes you'll have your lunch. For lunch, again I'll give you 3 options. The first one is, you can have brown rice with either curry or rajma or black chana. Out of these 3 options, you can choose any, but make sure you use brown rice and have only quarter plate of it, not more than that. You can either have curry chawal or rajma chawal or black chana chawal, but make sure the portion control is the key. The second option for your lunch would be, you can have any light veg, that is French beans, gobi, ghia, petha, whatever is available with you, along with one jaw roti, that is barley roti, but not more than one chapati. The third option is paneer bhurji with 2 multigrain slices of bread. You can just toast the bread normally and have paneer bhurji with it. Paneer is definitely high in protein, calcium, and as well as great for weight loss also. I have a whole complete plan on weight loss with paneer on my channel. You can check it out. The link is in the description box below. Let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack. For mid-evening snacks, I'll give you again 2 options. The first one is you can have 10 to 15 roasted makhanas with tea or coffee, but make sure to add no sugar to the tea again. If you're not a tea or coffee lover, you can also have green tea, peppermint tea, or chamomile tea, but only 10 to 15 roasted makhanas with it. Second option for your mid-evening snack is you can have 30 grams of roasted peanuts. You can simply roast the peanuts on tawa, or you can also roast it in microwave for 15 to 30 seconds, but no salt at all, along with your tea and coffee. Now let's proceed towards our dinner. For dinner, the first option is you can either have paneer salad or tofu salad. Now the recipe for both of them is up on my channel. The recipe is very simple. You can check it out. It's in the description box below. It is super simple and very effective for weight loss, as it is very fulfilling also and rich in protein content also. The second option for your dinner would be you can have a katori of palak paneer. If the palak is freshly available in the season, you can have palak paneer, or if not available, then you can have grilled veggies. In grilled veggies, you can add 50 grams of paneer, onion, mushrooms, corns, capsicum, broccoli, whatever is available freshly with you. All these options are great for your weight loss in dinner. And after dinner, before going to bed, we'll have a freshly brewed cup of chamomile tea. Chamomile tea helps reduce your stress of the entire day and also boosts your metabolism of the entire night. And make sure to have at least 3 to 4 liters of water with this diet plan. This diet plan works great for weight loss if the hydration is proper. Follow this diet plan to lose 15 kgs in 1 month very easily, and it's a great start to your weight loss journey. And I'll be more than happy to be a part of your weight loss journey. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.